Good morning, Ma'am Deb. This is my tutorial. So, from the link that I gave to you, so, i-click na siyang link, Ma'am Debs. So, diri lang to sa PISA Pretest Digital. So, inside this folder, double click. I have the answer key. I included the answer key. Then, the digital pretest folder. So, kani siya, Ma'am Debs, na three dots. Click this one, then download. Okay. And after that, it will be say, ikaw na mamili asan mo siya i-save sa desktop pa or sa download. Okay. Siguro mga 2 minutes or less ang downloading. I intentionally add the answer key kay ang suman siya ang katong open-ended question manggod kay kaning kailangan manually i-check. So, i-save na ko siya sa desktop Ma'am Debs. Save. From desktop na ra siya Ma'am Debs, saka zip pa siya. So, kaning zip, right click is open with pre-zip. Or kung nakay WinZip, okay ra pod. Then click, then extract. So, kani siya Ma'am Debs, i-click na siya. Ang imuha magud i-click pa nimong data which supposed to be dili pwede, dili na kailangan. Okay, kung i-click nimo ang data, kanis jud siya ang sulod. So, go back ko. So, kaning index.html siya ang i-click. Right-click sa mouse and open with Google Chrome or any browser. So, Google Chrome. So, would you like to resume where you left off? I-know lang na siya.
Welcome to the Program for International Student Assessment,
Only the
or
first page
PISA,
has the
interactive
audio.
reviewer for reading
The rest of the
exercises.
slides wala ng audio.
PISA measures 15-year-old ability to use their reading.
Ano siya Ma'am Debs? Okay. So, kung na question Ma'am Debs, okay, text lang on niya Ma'am Debs.